Hi guys, Eleanor here. Today on MKABM, we are going to do a special bike check. A Specialized Enduro 2021. The new Enduro features a full carbon frame set, boasting 170mm of suspension travel, in an all-new design that increases your control and speed over the roughest sections of trail, yet also boasts exceptional pedaling efficiency. Blah blah blah. Ha ha ha! Okay. For fork, I have Fox Float 38 Performance Elite, Grip 2 Damper, 15 by 110mm, 44mm offset, 170mm of travel. For rear shock, 2021, Float X2, 170mm of travel. Stem, alloy trail stem, 35mm bar bore. Handlebars, Specialized Trail, 70/50 alloy, 8-degree back sweep, 6-degree up sweep, 30mm rise, 780mm, 35mm clamp. Grips, Deity, Knuckle Duster, Black. Saddle, Bridge Comp, Hollow CRMO rails. Seat post, X-Fusion Manic, Infinite Adjustable, 2-bolt head, bottom mount cable routing, remote SRLLE lever, 34.9mm, 150mm travel. For brakes, Sram Code RS, 4-piston caliper, hydraulic disc, 220mm. Rear derailleur, Sram X01 Eagle, 12-speed. Shift levers, Sram X01, trigger. Chain, Sram GX Eagle. Crankset, Sram Descendant 7K, dub, 170mm. Pedals, this is my old DMR pedals. Ha ha ha! Chain rings, steel, 30T. Cassette, Sram XG1275, 12-speed, 10-52T. Rims, Roval Traverse 29 alloy, 30mm inner width. Hand-built, tubeless ready. Front hub, Roval, sealed cartridge bearings, 15 by 110mm spacing, 28 holes. Rear hub, Roval DT Swiss 360, 3-pawl design, SRAM XD driver body, 12mm through axle, 148mm spacing, 28 holes. Front and rear tire, Butcher, grid trail casing, Gripton compound, 29 by 2.3 inches, tubeless. That's it guys, hope I say it all correctly. Ha ha ha!
If you're new to the channel, please like, share, tell your friends, tell your hot friends. Just kidding. And of course, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride. Ride on.